Hi guys, this is FD465.tv once more back with another video, and today we are going to bring you our weekly update to our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. So our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge is a public portfolio we share with our community where we have selected 20 projects, and for majority of them we have performed our DYOR risk evaluation to come up with a risk category, and we have gone on to invest at least a minimum of $100 into each of these. Granted, we have invested more in certain projects, but that was just down to personal preference. So starting with Fala Network and the PHA token, the price for the PHA token this week is sitting at 17.9 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $179.47. Week on week, we are down by 5.1%. Overall, we're still up by 67.3%, which makes Fala and the PHA token the best performing position within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. Next up is Pangolin DEX and the PNG token. The price for the PNG token this week is sitting at 5.6 cents. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $118.73. Week on week percentage change, we are up by 7.8%. Overall, we're still up by 7.4%. Next up is Oasis Network and the ROS token. The price for the ROS token this week is sitting at 7.3 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $148.98. Week on week, we are down by 12.2%. Overall, we're still up by 19.2%. Polkadex and the PDEX token is next. The price for the PDEX token this week is sitting at $2. Portfolio value is sitting at $128.88. Week on week percentage change, we are up by 10.4%. Overall, we're still up by 20.3%. Next up is the Efinity and EFI token. The price for the EFI token this week is sitting at 10 cents. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $346.13. Week on week, we are up by 1.1%. Overall, we're still down by 4.1%. Next up is the Graph and the GRT token. The price for the GRT token this week is sitting at 16.4 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $167.14. Week on week, we are down by 7.2%. Overall, we are still up by 67.1%, which makes the Graph and the GRT token one of the best performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. We move on to ImmutableX and the IMX token. The price for the IMX token is sitting at $1.05. Portfolio value is sitting at $104.78. Week on week, we are down by 11.5%. Overall, we're still down by 6.5%. Next up is Thorchain and the RUNE token. The price for the RUNE token this week is sitting at $1.73. Portfolio value is sitting at $91.67. Week on week, we're slightly down by 3.2%. Overall, we're down by 13.9%. Minswap and the Mint token is next. Minswap is a Cardano DEX. The price for the Mint token this week is sitting at 2.8 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $100.84. Week on week, we are up by 12.4%. Overall, we're up by 0.8%. Trader Joe and the Joe token is next. The price for the Joe token this week is sitting at 28 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $91.49. Week on week, we are up by 6.3%. Overall, we're down by 26%, which makes Trader Joe and the Joe token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. World Mobile and the WMT token is next. The price for the WMT token this week is sitting at 20 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $87.79. Week on week, we are up by 2.6%. Overall, we're still down by 12.5%. Next up is Kilt Protocol and the Kilt token. The price for the Kilt token this week is sitting at 52.2 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $72.77. Week on week, we are down by 1.2%. Overall, we're still down by 28.6%, which makes Kilt and the Kilt Protocol one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. We move on to Akala Network and the SA token. The ACA token's price this week is sitting at 14.6 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $74.63. Week on week, we are up by 10.9%. Overall, we're still down by 38.8%, which makes Akala Network and the ACA token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. SundaeSwap and the Sundae token is next. SundaeSwap, another DEX on the Cardano blockchain. The price for the Sundae token is sitting at 2.1 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $71.34. Week on week, we are down by 11.9%. Overall, we're still down by 36.9%, which makes SundaeSwap and the Sundae token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Holoride and the RUNE token is next. The price for the RUNE token this week is sitting at 5.4 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $31.87. Week on week, we are down by 9.9%. Overall, we're down by 68.7%. 7%, which makes Holoride and the right token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Next up is NearProtocol and the Near token. The price for the Near token this week is sitting at $2.50. Portfolio value is sitting at $50.19. Week on week, we are slightly down by 0.2%. Overall, we're down by 53.2%, which makes NearProtocol and the Near token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Next up is Blockchain Monster Hunt and the BCMC token. The price for the BCMC token is sitting at 0.7%. Portfolio value is sitting at $42.19. Week on week, we are up by 12.5%. Overall, we're still down by 59.4%, which makes Blockchain Monster Hunt and the BCMC token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. We move on to Star Atlas and the Atlas token. The price for the Atlas token this week is sitting at 0.4%. Portfolio value is sitting at $55.53. Week on week, we are down by 1.9%. Overall, we're still down by 53.1%, which makes Star Atlas and Atlas token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Next up is Moonbeam and the Glimmer token. The price for the Glimmer token this week is sitting at 49.5 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $49.48. Week on week, we are up by 7.4%. Overall, we're still down by 53.6%, which makes Moonbeam and the Glimmer token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Finally, we close this week's segment with Iagon and the IAG token. The price for the IAG token this week is sitting at 0.6%. Portfolio value is sitting at $61.62. Week on week, we are down by 5.2%. Overall, we're down by 52.8%, which makes Iagon and the IAG token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. There you have it, folks. Ladies and gents, an update to our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Everything is still looking good. We're creeping up slowly. Whether it's the end of the bear market or we're starting another bull run or not, still doesn't bother us. We're still holding. Our target is close to the top of the next bull run, so we remain focused. Are you, or are you chopping and changing your portfolio? That's up to you. You do your own research and do what's right for your situation. As for us here at Sage5.tv, this is your host, FD for Sage5.tv, signing out for now. Bye.